Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to your Power Hour update for June 18th. I'm Richard Allen. We're going to talk about all the news you need before the market closes. We're going to talk about the major indices. And guys, the Dow Jones is down hard today, over 1%. So is the S&P. We're going to talk about some news. We got Amazon on the list, Brady Corporation, Smith & Wesson, and Pilgrim Pride. A couple acquisitions in the news as well. And then we'll talk about the top gainers and losers in the market. And so let's just jump right into it, guys. I do this every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you can have all the news you need before the market closes. So we're going to jump over to TipRanks.com. Like I said, S&P 500 down just under 1%. It just ticked under 1% right now. The Dow Jones down 1.3%, biggest loss in a long time, over 400-point loss today on the Dow Jones. The NASDAQ is down as well, 0.6%. And Bitcoin is down massively as well, down under 37,000 again, 4.27% down. So big moves. Today is quad witching day. It means a lot of options and things are expiring today. It only happens 4 times a year. So you can expect a lot of volatility today. Things will probably change next week. So that's sort of what's happening. Let's jump over to news. We have Brady Corporation acquiring the Code Corporation for $173 million. They've announced that they're going to acquire Code Corporation, which deals in high-quality barcode scanners and associated software to power, track, and trace applications for about $173 million. It's a lot of money. So, how is BRC stock doing on this news? Of course, they're down 2.5%. That's pretty normal for acquisition news. Usually a corporation will fall when they announce that they're acquiring another company. Now, Brady Corporation, ticker symbol BRC, comes with a moderate buy rating based on one analyst rating. That analyst ratings was issued 11 days ago. Has an average upside now of 27% for ticker symbol BRC. In other news, we have Amazon. And I agree with this. This is a fundamentally sound, undervalued giant. Now, forever, Amazon was losing money. The growth, the darling of the world, and now they are a cash cow, absolute cash cow. We have some fantastic statistics right here to share with you. It says Amazon is a clear standout, with 77% of consumers continuing to spend more on the site as restrictions were lifted, followed by 26% at Walmart, 15% at Target, 15% at Chewy, 10% at eBay, and 9% at Etsy. So all of these e-commerce giants are growing, but Amazon, 77% of consumers are spending more than they did last year. So that's a fantastic news for Amazon. Let's see how they're doing on this news. Pretty flat on the day, up 0.01%. However, this stock is inching closer to all-time highs set back in September, where Amazon, I think, was $3,550 some dollars or so. So really close, about $60 away from all-time highs. So pay attention to Amazon. I think once that happens, we're going to see some big movement in Amazon stock. And like I've been saying, again, this stock is due for a split. So if that happens anytime over the next year, expect some big price moves for Amazon. This comes in at a strong buy based on 32 analyst ratings, all rating Amazon as a buy, with an average upside now of 23% over the next 12 months for Amazon. In other news, we have Pilgrim's Pride expanding their meat conglomerate, massive company. They just bought Kerry Consumer Foods, a UK-based meat company as well, for almost $1 billion. Now, how is Pilgrim's Pride, ticker symbol PPC, doing on this news? Similar to what we saw with Brady Corporation, they are down slightly, down 1% on the day, coming in with a moderate buy based on 3 analyst ratings with an average upside of just under 31% for PPC. All right, in the last bit of news, I want to cover Smith & Wesson. They absolutely crushed quarter 4 estimates, and I mean crushed. The company reported quarterly net sales of $323 million, growing by almost 68% year over year. Moreover, it surpassed the consensus estimate of just $260 million. The company reported adjusted EPS of $1.71, which compares crushing numbers of 50 cents per share, from the prior year. How is Smith & Wesson doing on this list? Up 17% on the day. They are the number one gainer on the day so far, I believe, coming in with a moderate buy based on 2 analyst ratings with an average upside now after these huge gains today of just about 8%. Pretty good returns, though. All right, we're going to cover the top losers and gainers here in the market. Number one on the list is Arrival Group, down almost 13% on the day. The issue with them is they're redeeming warrants. I believe that's happened over the past couple days. So they've been on the biggest losers list the past couple days. We have Ultra Clean Holdings, ticker symbol UCTT, down 8% on the day. We have SaySol, ticker symbol SSL, down 7.5% on the day. In the number 4 spot, we have ThreadUp, ticker symbol TDUP, down about 6.5% on the day. And then we have ADNT rounding out the top 5, ticker symbol ADNT, down 5.9% on the day. All right, top gainers. You're not going to see Smith & Wesson on this list for some reason, but we'll still go over the top 5 that are here. We have No B4, ticker symbol KNBE, up 7% on the day. We have Clean Energy Fuels, ticker symbol CLNE, up 8% on the day. And then the one of the biggest losers for the past couple days, TAL Education Group, ticker symbol TAL, up 8% on the day. And then CureVac, if you remember, they were down over 60% yesterday. They were up at one point, I believe 15, 20%, something like that, but they are up 8% on the day. Ticker symbol CVAC. And then rounding out the top 5, we have D Local Limited Class A, up 14.5% on the day. Ticker symbol there is DLO. Guys, thank you so much. Again, I do this every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, trying to get you the news you need before the market closes. As always, thank you so much. Look forward to your Friday weekly recap from Julie and I later on today. I hope you enjoy it. We talk about a lot of fun stuff, all the drama from the week we cover in that video. As always, if you didn't already subscribe, please do that. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Thanks.